Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Tech Global, the place where we dive into the world of creativity and self-empowerment. And today we've got an exciting episode for you: how to start a blog. Are you ready to dive deep into the world of blogging, where we're going to explore and learn about how blogging can not only kickstart your career, but also help you invest in a brighter future? But before we jump into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's get started. Step 1. Define your niche and audience. Choose a specific topic or niche for your blog. Consider your interests, expertise, and what your target audience might be interested in. Step 2. Choose a blogging platform. Select a reliable blogging platform. Popular choices include WordPress, Blogger, and Medium. WordPress is highly customizable and widely used. Step 2. Choose a blogging platform. Select a reliable blogging platform. Popular choices include WordPress, Blogger, and Medium. WordPress is highly customizable and widely used. Step 4. Install and set up your blog. If you choose WordPress, install it on your hosting account. Follow the platform-specific instructions to set up your blog. Customize the appearance with a theme that suits your style. Step 5. Optimize for search engines, SEO. Learn about basic SEO practices to improve your blog's visibility on search engines. This includes using relevant keywords, creating descriptive meta tags, and optimizing your images. Step 9. Promote and monetize your blog. Share your blog posts on social media platforms to increase visibility. Engage with your audience and participate in relevant online communities. Building a social media presence is crucial for promoting your blog. If you're interested in making money from your blog, explore monetization options such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling your products/services. Research different revenue streams and choose the ones that align with your goals. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest content. Good luck, happy blogging!